There's an Oklahoma boating event happening a mile down the street. This is our Caymas CX21 Pro, 7-year factory warranty for your boat, tons of storage. We just finished our Oklahoma Boating Expo and we were wanting to continue that momentum. Events like this cost thousands of dollars and we're gonna pass all those savings on to you, the consumer. A mile down the street, we're at 21st and Sheridan, free parking, we're gonna be open later hours. We've got more than 40 boats on hand on our showroom. We've got more than 200 boats in total inventory. We've got brands like Vexus, Caymas, Robalo, Chaparral, Bennington Tri-Tunes, and Mastercraft. We've got some great inventory. We've got some great factory rebates in excess of more than $100,000. We've got some great low rate financing on some of our closeout 2024 models. You're not gonna wanna miss this opportunity. This is gonna be the best opportunity to find a boat if you're looking for something in 2025. Stop in at 21st and Sheridan. We might be able to save you some time. We will definitely save you some money. This is our Caymas CX21 Pro. This boat comes with a trailer. This has a Mercury 250 Pro XS. We've got 8-foot power poles. This has silver metal flake, black metal flake with royal blue pinstripes. If you're serious about fishing, this is a great option. On our engines, we've got a 3+2+2 warranty. We've got a 3-year factory warranty from the manufacturer of Mercury. They've got a +2 and +2 for no additional fee for the owner. It's a limited time promotion. So 7-year factory warranty for your boat. Look at all this casting deck. It's your Garmin trolling motor. You got a Garmin 126 SV here at the bow. Plenty of room for your butt seats. Anything that's not on this boat, we've got some fantastic master technicians that make sure that you're taken care of well after the sale. Any options that you like, they've got great hand craftsmanship to make sure that you have a great experience on your new boat. Dual console, our live wheels here in the back, tons of storage. Both of our live wheels here. This is well appointed. Dual console, 126 Garmin SV at the bow. Like I said, this is our Caymas CX21 Pro.